right, let's be real. You enjoy binge watching Netflix, sitting around watching your favorite show, your favorite movies, but you wish you got paid to do it. In this video, we're going to go over how do you actually make $300 a day just by watching videos. Now, all the methods we're going to go through in this video are super easy, and you can do them from anywhere in the world. These 5 websites pay you actual money, not points, not rewards, actual money just for watching videos. So if you're new to the channel and you want to make money online, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Okay, so the very first website we're going to look at here in our discussion is a website called Grab Points. Come over here to grabpoints.com, and you can see they actually pay you for a few different things. They pay you for answering surveys, completing offers, all this other stuff. But for the purposes of this video, we don't care about any of the other stuff. We care about watching TV, right? We care about watching videos. That's what we're here for. That's what we're going to learn. That's how we're going to make a lot of money, all right? We're going to make up to $300 a day just doing that. So you can and should obviously sign up and create your account, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to jump in here and we're going to log into my account so I can show you kind of what the back office here looks like. And this is what it looks like once you log in. Okay, so they're going to show you all these different surveys, different ways you can earn, blah blah blah, right? But again, for the purposes of this video and this breakdown, we're going to click over here to where it says watch. All right, now if you keep watching to the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you which of these 5 websites I think is the best to start out with. But just for now, we're going to go through these websites one by one. Okay, so keep watching. We're gonna go over which one is the best, which one you should start doing today to get the most income and kind of start reinvesting in things and, you know, going ahead and growing this whole thing, just watching videos and making money doing it. All right, so we're going to click watch, and you're going to see this pop up, and we're going to figure out which of these offers we want to do. This one, you earn 7 points for every 3 videos watch with ads, credits, etc., etc. This one, earn 5 points for every 3 videos you watch, credits, unlimited times, minimum amount. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to pick either one. Doesn't really matter for now. You can kind of, you know, balance which one you think is best, and we're going to get this list. Okay, we're going to get this list of videos that they tell you, hey, if you watch these, we'll give you some points. These points equal money. Okay, the points are calculated in different ways, but we're gonna start here with this food one. Let's go ahead and click the food one just to get an example here. We're gonna click this one, and you can see that it's as simple as it's gonna load up, it's gonna start playing, and there it is. And literally, you know, you sign up, you have everything ready to go. It's paying you while this is playing. Okay, and then after this video, you can go on to the next video and the next and the next and the next. You don't even have to really be sitting here watching this. Okay, you could just have this playing. Say your computer's on all day long, right? And you're just like not even there, your laptop, your tablet, whatever. You can just have this running and not even be in the same room, but they don't care. To them, you're watching the video and you're making money doing it. Okay, so that is tactic number 1. That's website number 1. Okay, now the second website we're going to look into is one called superpay.me or superpay.me, you know, however you want to look at it. Now this is number 2 here, and the reason that this one is actually really good, first of all, let's look at payment proof to make sure, so you can kind of see this is real. This isn't a scam. This isn't something that's like I just made up and I just pulled it out of God knows where. Okay, I didn't just. This is real people and their actual real payments that they made today. Okay, and you can see you're not going to be like a millionaire. None of this stuff is like, you know, next level, super crazy get rich quick scheme stuff. But if you want to make a few dollars doing stuff you're probably already doing right now, what I call monetizing your life. Okay, great. Then come on over here, superpay.me. You can see these people made a few bucks just doing simple stuff like watching videos. Okay, so if you want to actually build a business and actually you want to make, you know, hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars, and I do have a link in the description below so you can learn more about how I did it with affiliate marketing. Okay, So click on that if you want to start your own business. But for now, this is some side income stuff. Now, superpay.me, it works really, really well. And let's see if I can log into my account here. Let's see here. All right, so you can see here that they have offer walls up here, and you can click on whichever one you want, but for now we're going to click on engage videos, because that's what we're doing for the purposes of this video, right? We're talking about how to make money watching videos. And the good thing about superpay.me is that you can actually pick and choose different types of videos that you're into, instead of like the first one. Okay, the first website that we went to with grab points, they're kind of weird videos that I don't think anybody's into, okay? But the beauty of superpay.me is they have a lot of different types of videos, different types of content, and different niches. I'm a big gamer, so I like this gamer stuff here. You can just watch stuff you already watch. Okay, so that's the improvement over the first one we went into, and that's why it's important, again, to keep watching to the end of this video, because every one that we go through is going to be a little better than the last one. Okay, so you're going to find out which ones are right for you, and you're going to find out which is the absolute best if you stick to the end of this video. Now, one disclaimer here. You're going to click one. I'm going to click this gaming one, start earning. One big disclaimer, because most people do not do this correctly. Okay, they don't do this right, and then they get all mad and they say, oh my god, this doesn't work, it's a scam, whatever. You see this red notice right here, notice to our offer wall viewers, to earn cash payouts, etc., you must sign up. Even though you already signed up for superpay.me, they kind of have these partnerships with other companies. Make sure that you sign up here. You will not get credited no matter how many videos you watch on here. You will not get the credit. You will not get paid unless you sign up here first. Okay, I'm going to say that loud and clear. Make sure you sign up here as well, okay, or you will not get paid. So that's that. All right, so that is superpay.me. That's a good one. And now we're going to go into the next one, which is actually a pretty popular one. It's called inboxdollars.com. Okay, Inbox Dollars been around for quite a while here. You can see it already logged me right in. You know, I already have an account and everything. So Inbox Dollars is pretty popular. The beauty of Inbox Dollars, and this is number 3 here. The beauty of it is just for signing up, you already start off with $5 in bonuses. Okay, they pay you just to sign up. So, you know, basically, even if you're not going to do anything after that, at least you get $5 just for signing up. Now, you don't get that $5 right away. Okay, the trick, you know, what's the catch, right? So the trick here is you must reach at least $15 minimum in order to get your cash out. Okay, so that's a disclaimer there, just to keep it honest with you. I'm not trying to trick you and get you to make an account or whatever. I don't even have a link for this down in the description. Okay, this is a straight up like, hey, you do have to first get this $15 in your account, then you can request a cash out. But the beauty is, just like we're talking about in this video, you can make money just watching videos. They have the same offer here as the other websites. And you can see, just by watching these, it's not a whole lot. Again, you're not going to be a millionaire doing any of the methods in this video. You're just going to make some side income. But hey, this is a lot of stuff you're probably already watching. You're probably already into. You want to get your daily financial updates. You want to do some research on upcoming movies and figure out what's going on in Hollywood and such. This is stuff you're probably already searching for if you're into this stuff. So why not just get paid to do it? Right? So that's the beauty of all these methods in general, but specifically this method of watching videos to make money online. Really monetize your life. Okay, so what's the next one? We're going to go over number 4 here. Number 4 is a pretty popular one too, and it's called Swagbucks. Okay, if you've never heard of it, it's called Swagbucks. And the Swagbucks is really good, but the downside of Swagbucks, and I'm going to tell you this now, is that they don't actually offer cash rewards like they say they do. Say free gift cards and cash for every day, but their cash rewards are absolutely terrible. Okay, so for the most part, you're gonna get really good gift cards, not so much cash, right? So just a disclaimer right there, just so in case you're thinking I'm gonna make like thousands of dollars doing this. No, but you'll get some really good gift cards if you already shop at Walmart, Amazon, use PayPal, whatever. Then you can get some pretty good gift cards in here from doing just basic stuff. Okay, just basic stuff similar to the other websites that we went over. You can do online surveys, and like we said here, rewarded for watching online videos. So you'll want to sign up, you'll want to come over here, figure out how this works. And the beauty is these are actually just regular, really good videos, not like the weird ones that we saw on Grab Points. You can watch like movie trailers, like upcoming video games for somebody like me, like all this news and updates and financial reports and stuff, just stuff that you would, again, normally watch anyway, right? So why would you not just come over here, quick make an account, and at least get some gift cards, right? You can go shop at Walmart, you know, and buy stuff for your family and say, hey, where'd you get all that money all of a sudden? And like, all I did was watch videos online. That's pretty funny, right? Like a lot of people would be like, what? So definitely take advantage of this. Swagbucks is a good, you know, website, make an account with. It's all free, and start making money doing what you're already doing. Monetize your life. Live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Everything you do, you should get paid for, okay? So last but not least, I like this one a lot, and we're going to discuss this one here. And this one is called picoworkers.com. I hope I said that right. picoworkers.com. And this one is really, really good. Okay, and this is number 5 here. Last but not least, because this one right here, oh man, they got all kinds of jobs. We're going to scroll to the top here so we can see what kinds of jobs they have listed. Oh, I'm sorry. This is some of the withdrawals that have happened again, so you can see some proof of the payments that just happened today. I mean, somebody made $180 today. That's like a full-time income. Imagine making $180 a day from doing stupid, simple stuff online. So this website actually has really good payouts, and the kinds of jobs that they have you do. Let's see if we can find where they are. Right here, you can see people are taking surveys, writing honest reviews, testing an app, writing an article. It's really simple stuff, okay? Really simple. Now, unfortunately, they don't have the option of like watching videos and getting paid, but they do have really simple stuff, and you get paid pretty well here, okay? So you can see some of the balance. This guy's balance $31. Wow, why did it highlight like his whole face? That was weird. But you can see here, they're pretty easy stuff, okay? You don't have to like be some professional website designer, like any kind of stuff like that. Simple stuff, taking surveys, testing an app, writing a review, you know, what do you think of this, you know, website, this app, this game, this whatever, and they'll pay you for that. And you can see somebody even withdrew $180 today just from doing a bunch of simple stuff. So don't disregard or discredit Pico Workers. This is another side income, easy one, easy peasy, probably take you like, you know, a few minutes every day and make some side money, all right? So that being said, that's the end of the video, all right? So click on these following videos that probably popped up on your screen to get some more make money online. Live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.